In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneNote color in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the color so your notes stand out and are easier to spot at a glance. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website from Microsoft. This ensures you're opening the correct, secure page. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in so Outlook can open your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, look toward the top right of the screen for the OneNote icon. It's typically the purple OneNote symbol and may appear alongside other Microsoft apps. Click that icon to open the OneNote experience within Outlook. This brings your notes into view without leaving your inbox, which is handy for quick edits or reference. With the OneNote panel or card open, find the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click those three dots to reveal customization choices. This is where you'll manage how OneNote appears, including its color. Next, hover your cursor over the option labeled Change Color. Don't click yet, just hover. A color palette should appear, giving you a set of choices. These colors are there to help you differentiate OneNote visually from your other apps or to match your personal preference. If you're organizing multiple apps or you rely on visual cues, picking a distinct, high-contrast color can make OneNote quicker to find. Now, click the color you want. The change applies immediately, so you'll see the new color take effect right away. If you decide it isn't quite right, repeat the same steps and select a different color. There's no penalty for switching, so feel free to experiment until it feels right for your workflow. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the OneNote icon, make sure you're in the standard Outlook mail view and check the top right area again. Sometimes the interface can shift slightly based on your screen size. If the color doesn't update right away, a quick page refresh usually helps. And remember, this adjustment is about visibility and comfort. Choose a shade that stands out without straining your eyes. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook from Google, click the OneNote icon at the top right, open the three-dot menu, hover over Change Color, and pick the color you like. Simple, fast, and instantly more organized.